as flared. So you put pellets inside this, like hundreds of them. They go into different direction, and that is more damaging as compared to a single bullet. Matchlock. There used to be a burning wick attached to this, and when you pull trigger, it will slowly move and get connected.
These are like the contemporary weapons?
These are not contemporary. These are all 18.
Back in that's what I mean.
This is a special exhibition for
20th century.
the inauguration, but otherwise.
When I say contemporary, I mean back in that time.
Yes, in that is fine.
But do it, yes.
They have done really well. And only condor weapons are
So in these ones, what have you done?
Basically, the cleaning of it, this was a leather.
This was leather?
Yeah, the leather sheet. And the tanning of the leather was actually abraded. So once when we cleaned it, we cleaned the silver of
This is all silver.
and then we did the leather polish as it was before. Without any retouching. We are from Mumbai. Based from Mumbai, but we do travel for and every archaeological museum in Maharashtra, and we do the combination.
There is a small panel of conservators. We choose them.
You know, is that
They have those glass paint.
because we have that here in Jammandir also.
Okay.
And I feel like it's now reached the point where there needs to be something that needs to be done. How long are you here for? Visit and just
Sure, we're here till the completion of the.
She's already given you work.
Your hair is
She's Gilja Budai. She's weapon expert. She has worked on ancient weapons. She has a book in Marathi. And she did her post-graduation in UK.
done your what can
Masters from
Masters from UK. Yes, I've done the masters from UK in archaeology.
tell us about this?
Okay, so basically this is a typically European saddle sword, which we use in infantry, as well as these two. One of these, this is Dhop sword, and one of these is Firanga sword. So different Dhop and Firanga sword. So there is a basic difference in that is Dhop sword has a very broad blade, and Firanga has comparatively narrow blade, and it is slightly flexible blade for the Firanga sword. Dhop sword has a very rigid and stable blade, and if you can see, this sword has stamping marks on that. So these were made when the maintenance of the swords were done.
It shows who has made it.
Sometimes, but sometimes it also shows that periodically its maintenance. Sometimes there is a very typical marking. Yes.
Very interesting. Many a times they've imported grades from.
This is a combination of dagger and axe. Usually this is a head type of blade, which is used from daggers to swords. This is
the first time when we convert.
This is for the shins.
This particular type of sword, which we know as patta, has been declared as the state weapon. And declaration will be made in Agra. Agra. Today, sir.
Agra. Maharaj is the
Right. So he will be announcing this. This is
one is Arabian jumbo and one is Indian jumbo.
This is Arabian.
This one is Arabian, this one is Indian. So Arabian jambias are short in length and their legs are broad. And for the Indian jambias, their legs are quite long in length. This armor is called as Zira Kabuttar. And links. Yes. And for these links patterns, we have actually more than 20 types of these links patterns which can be seen on different types of armor, like how they are linked with each other.
You want to pattern. I love this. This is my favorite pattern.
This is called as Gurs in Marathi.
And what is the translation?
Mess.
Yeah, that's what it makes.
Yeah,
It makes a mess.
It makes a mess. All these guys make a mess. Let them be in the museum forever. No, but if they did what they did, then it back and forth and beats and 3D. But that is India.
Kashmir.
Kashmir. And dated back to Houston. मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहूँगी कि इतने साल बाद मैं इंतज़ार कर रही थी इस संग्रहालय का खुलने का। बहुत दिन हो गए हैं और आज यहाँ आके मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये काम अंत में आने को हुआ है और अंत होने वाला है इसका, मतलब शुरू होने वाला है एक्चुअली। और आज बहुत शुभ दिन, हम यहाँ पे सब आए हैं, टाइम पे ख़त्म होगा। यहाँ पे बागनाक और जगदम्बा तलवार आएगी ही और इसकी हम सबको निश्चित रूप से मालूम है। पिछले साल मैं लंदन गई थी, तब मैं टावर ऑफ लंदन जहाँ पे क्राउन ज्वेल्स पड़े हैं वहाँ पे मैं गई थी पूछने के लिए कि देखना है मुझे। तो उन्होंने बोला था कि वो ऑलरेडी रास्ते में इंडिया आ रहा है और अभी 1 साल या 2 साल के लिए इंडिया में, हिंदुस्तान में ही रहने वाला है। तो मुझे अभी पता चला है कि ऐसा हुआ नहीं है पर होने वाला है। तो उसकी हम सबको बहुत बेचैनी से वेट कर रहे हैं। हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी से ही होगा। और मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगी कि आज ये दिन है, जो मेरी दोस्त मेरे साथ आई है वो यहाँ से नहीं है, लेकिन वो पूछ रही थी कि सबको इतना जोश कैसे है। I was just telling them that you were asking me what is everyone, what is this about, and what is it about Shivaji Maharaj that everyone feels. And I got married into this family. मेरी शादी इस परिवार में हुई है, तो मैं एकदम अलग, मेरी परवरिश एकदम अलग हुई है। तो मैंने भी आके ये सीखा ही है कि ये क्या है, ये कौन है, ये किस परिवार में आए हो। और उससे मैंने एक चीज़ जो मैंने बहुत मेरे दिल में जो लगी है शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में, जो मैं अपने बच्चों को सिखाती हूँ कि अगर कुछ सीखना है तो क्या सीखोगे शिवाजी महाराज से। बहुत कुछ इतना है कि मैं खुद पहले अभी और सीखना चाहती हूँ। और पर एक चीज़ कि सब जाति सामान्य मानना, जो लोग जो अपने आप नहीं कर सकते उनको सहारा देना। अगर ये वैल्यूज़ बहुत छोटे सिंपल बहुत बेसिक वैल्यूज़ हैं, रिस्पेक्ट के, आदर देना, आदर कैसे देते हैं और किस किस को देते हैं, क्यों, मतलब कि उनकी ये जो मेन बेसिक वैल्यूज़ हैं जिसके वजह से वो राजा जन्म नहीं हुए थे, उनको राजा बनाया गया था, लोगों ने बनाया था। इस भावना से जब वो उनके लिए खड़े हुए थे, तो ये जो वैल्यूज़ हैं ये हर एक आदमी के लिए एक बहुत सीखने के और अंदर रखने के वैल्यूज़ हैं।